What's up, loves? Welcome back to my channel. I changed my mind. I like the gloss better. So in this video, we're going to be doing look 2 of the fall autumn looks. Okay, I must say I'm loving this so far. This look is not so beginner friendly, but I do hope that you can learn a couple of things or two. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Nyasha and welcome back to my channel where we do beauty videos, makeup videos, skincare, and soon lifestyle videos. I'm saying soon because I'm already working on it. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you've not hit that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. If you want to see how I get this sultry look of the full makeup look, please stay tuned and carry on watching. Let's get started now. I've already done my eyebrows, obviously, and done my skin prep and skincare. So first I will be using the Fox Filter color corrector from Huda Beauty. You guys, if you do not color correct, what the hell are you doing? If you have dark circles and high pigmentation, this product definitely is the best one there is. I used to love my Ella Girl Concealer color corrector, but this one I must say is the best. Obviously the price is but I'm not gonna lie, this is such a good product. So I'm just going everywhere. I got hyperpigmentation, and because the look is all about the eyes and the lips, so I'm just showing you all the products that I used. So I did the underpainting method once again. I'm actually loving blending my makeup with the beauty blender again. Like literally there's just seasons for makeup, like, you know, that's, you can never stick to one thing. I know it's like hard, but yeah, I'm just blending the contour, you know, wherever I feel like I need more blending. So I'm going in with the She Glam blush as my blusher, and I'm gonna set my with the Holy Burn setting powder in the shade Banana. Going to warm up my face with my favorite bronzer from Makeup Revolution in the shade In Robe. And now I'm going to be using the Bridal XL palette from P. Louise. I am going in with the brown shade. So this is a very layered eyeshadow look, and there is like a lot of blending that needs to just achieve this flawless look. I knew what I was going for, so I wanted a sharp line, a winged out liner. So I'm just blending that brown in together, just leaving the inner part of the lid, just blending the browns and the lighter browns and the darker browns. So now I'm applying a black eyeshadow, and I'm also using this as my eyeliner. So I will not be applying eyeliner, but I'm just winging that black eyeshadow as my eyeliner also, and just blending it in the browns. I'm absolutely loving how it's coming out in the middle of the eyelid that I didn't apply any shadow. I am putting a nudie pink eyeshadow from the P. Louise palette. I absolutely love how this came out, and I'm just cleaning it with a setting powder, and it's just giving that sharpness. Putting on my lashes now. I like to move them a little bit higher just to give me that sultry look, so it won't be sitting on my actual lash, but it'll be sitting a bit higher. I'm putting a bit of creamy concealer in my waterline just to open up my eyes a little bit more, and also putting a golden silvery shimmery eyeshadow in the inner corner of my eyes just to open it up. Setting my face with the hydrating spray, and also again setting it with a fixing spray. Moving on to lips, I'm going to show you two different lips, which is the matte one and the red one. I'm just lining my lips with the black, and then I move on with the maroony shade. Then in the middle I will put a lighter red. So that's just an ombre lip. If you have not seen my lip combos, I'm gonna put a lip combo video. It's just pretty much the same. I'm just cleaning up the sides. So this is the matte look. I really liked it, but you guys, you know I'm not used to matte lipstick anymore. So to gloss it up, I'm using up my cherry lip gloss from, I think it's called BK Beauty. You know those, glosses you get from the hair shops in UK. So I'm just applying that to gloss it up. And yes, this was definitely me. This was definitely a bit of me. Not even a bit. It was giving what I wanted it to give. I was like, okay. Yeah, so I was loving this more. I know some people will prefer the matte lip, but I am definitely a gloss babe look. So I'm just giving you the face card. The face card is giving. It's giving. Well, guys, this was fun. I must say, I love these lips. I feel like it's the focal point. And if you've not watched my lip combo video, go watch it. Right there. Love how the eyes and the lips complement together. As you can see, sometimes red hair is hard to do looks when you've got like red hair, but always stick to neutrals or maybe green, pinky tones. If you enjoy this video, please hit the subscribe button and thumbs up and comment below. Tell me your thoughts. Show me also if you're recreating this look. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.